gani haske da haske na ina tafiye da shi ina tare da shi ɗan uwa jama'a Bauchi ga haske nan tafiye. Najeriya ba ta taɓa samun irin wannan garaɓasa shugaba irin Peter Obi ya zo ya gaurayi da kamana mu fito mu ce za mu kwato wa Najeriya haƙƙinta. Najeriya ba ta taɓa samun wannan garaɓasan ba. Ɗan uwa ku riƙe wannan, ku fito ku ba mu ƙuri'un da ya ce ku jira ku ga alheran da za su biyo baya. Na gode, Allah ya banga.
Ladies and gentlemen, Bauchi, are you ready?
Are you ready? Are you ready?
If you are sitting down, it's time to get up. Because right now, we're going to bring the emancipator of Bauchi people.
The man with consistency, capacity, and character.
The emancipator of Nigeria.
The man with compassion and consistency.
The man who knows it better in the north, south, east, and west.
That will change the focus from consumption to production. Mama, Papa, Mama, Papa, Mama, Papa. Come on, Bauchi, salam alaikum. Come on, Bauchi, salam alaikum. Whenever I'm in Bauchi, it reminds me that once there was a united Nigeria, once there was peaceful Nigeria. Nigeria was part of greatness from a preferred leader from Bauchi, Tafa, Balewa. Nigeria was about greatness for Tafa Balewa. I come from Anam State. I live in Onitsha, where a man who believes the unity of Nigeria, Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe, is from. In Bauchi, we had a great leader who believes in progress of Nigeria. And I said it this morning, that Nigeria today is big poverty. People are poor in Nigeria. People are hungry. People are insecure. All the monies we borrowed, we have used the way Tafa Balewa used the money he borrowed. Nigeria would have been heaven today. In June 17, 1964, Tafa Balewa applied to World Bank to give him $82 million to build the kind dam to generate power. Today, Kainji Dam is still there. It was supposed to generate 760 megawatts. Today, that's the equivalent of that money is supposed to be about $1,250 million. That's the equivalent today.
Our debt today Nigeria is owing 77 trillion. When we add our ways and means, which is equivalent, when we use our 410 naira per dollar, it is now worth $187 billion. If you divide it by the value of what $5 then, we would have had 150 kanji dams. Nigeria today would have been exporting power. What we are here to say, I'm sure somebody will even do the interpretation, but be rest assured, this is a great city. A city where a leader that wanted to build a Nigeria came from, and we're in this city saying we want to build one Nigeria. A new Nigeria is possible. A Nigeria where you have a job. A Nigeria that will be economic growth. A Nigeria that will be peaceful. A Nigeria that will be secured. That is what we want to build. We urge all of you, go out. They've told you lies. You voted for them. Today you're hungry. Election that is coming this year, you should not be on track. Let nobody come and tell you it's from the north. People from the north are hungry. They didn't give them food. Let me tell you it's from the south. People from the south are hungry. They didn't give them food. People from the north did not go to school. They didn't provide school. I've said it. All the people from the north today, they said they're out of school. They've learned Quran. I will meet them where they are learning Quran and teach them skill. That's what we want to do. And we assure you it will go a long way.
No to confederalism.
Abinda shugaban kasa mai jira ya ce duk masu karatun alkur'ani a makarantun allo za mu je mu same su a wurin, za mu iske su a wurin, kuma za mu ba su sana'o'i insha Allah.
We will ensure you have a job. We will ensure you are secured. That's what me and Datti are going to do. First for us, the youth, you voted for these people. All the people who are coming here, you voted for them before. You voted for APC. Their group is keeping you to hunger. You voted for PDP. Umbrella League and you're hungry. We now want you to vote for human being. Mama, Papa. Mama, Papa. You know what is happening in Bauchi today? We want the oil we discovered in Bauchi that will be used to develop Bauchi, to give you job. So as I thank Bauchi for discovery of oil, we will make sure that oil is used to develop Bauchi, to develop the north, to make sure things are working. Not to use it where somebody will steal the money and everybody is hungry.
Shugaban kasa mai jira na jinjina mana, yana tare mu farin cikin samun mai a nan jihar Bauchi. A matsayin ɗan kasuwa ya ce ya san mahimmancin wannan abin, saboda haka ya fi kowa farin cikin an samu wannan arziki a nan. Kuma yana tuna mana cewa albarkacin ƙasa da Allah ya wa haɗin arewan Najeriya gaba ɗaya shi ne kamar gwal, shi ne arzikin Najeriya gaba ɗaya. Sannan kuma ya ƙara bayanin shi da albishirin cewa wannan man da aka samu a Bauchi da sanayyar shi na kasuwanci ba za a fitar da wa'annan kuɗaɗen ba yadda aka yi hanyoyin sace-sace, za a yi adalci da wannan arziki.
Mama, Papa, go out on the 25th. Go and vote for Labour. Go and look for LP. Go and vote for LP. And then you will start seeing a new Nigeria. You want a new Nigeria? Go and vote for Labour. Thank you and God bless you. We have candidates here. We have candidates here who are contesting the election. All of them. Candidates, all of them, vote Labour. Vote Labour for a new Nigeria. Vote Labour for a new Nigeria. Vote Labour for a new Nigeria. Mama, Papa, vote for human being. Let's do the new Nigeria. Thank you and God bless you.
Record. Are you obedient? I am obedient. Are you obedient? We are obedient. Now my president you be. Me I want better tomorrow. Me no want to load. No. Now the person will be me. If he want better tomorrow, no go vote to load. No.
I am a class go as you see me so at the front line. No.
At the front line.
Move the car small, sorry, sir. Thank you. Wind up, so that they will know the stop. Lock your door and wind up small. Go back, you might do something for you.
Your AC is not working, have you?
Lock that door.
Lock this door now.
Push it and lock it. Pin it yourself. You can pin it.
Can you lock your door? Your door is not open. Your door is closed.
Be snappy because if they can do, just be going. You can go outside and wait for him outside.
Let's go.
Put your thing.
You can wind up.
Hey! For your security, they should not enjoy you. Wind up.
Go. But wind up first so that these dogs will not enter. When you get outside, you can wind down back. You understand? Or your window is not working. It's because of the doors.
Don't worry about my own.
He's part of them, just allow him.
Do anything.
Record. Are you obedient? I am obedient. Are you obedient? We are obedient. Now my president you be. Me I want better tomorrow. Me no want to load. No. Now the person will be me. If he want better tomorrow, no go vote to load. No.
I am a class go as you see me so at the front line. No.
At the front line.
But you want mine, no, make we unite, do the right thing.
Situation don't they get a CB. My brother, sister, get your BBC. Make we unite, make we vote for you. Now my president, you me, I want better tomorrow. Me no want to load. No. Now the person will be. If you want better tomorrow, no go vote to load. No.
If you don't want to be, it means say you don't want to be.
Me I go what you be, Peter Obi. Say now you we want to.
We want to.
Now you we want to.
What I want to do is to take Nigeria from consumption to production.
Ana son ci gaban Najeriya a zaba Peter Obi.
Fún ìlọsíwájú orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà, dìbò fún Pétérù Obi.
Maka ọdịmma Nàìjíríà, ka anyị tụnyere nụ Peter Obi.
Vote Peter Obi.
Vote Peter Obi.
Vote Peter Obi.
Vote Peter Obi.
So, okay, can we talk in the union? I'm actually at a campaign right now, so I'm not going to be able to answer.
future. That's not the Nigeria that every one of us want. Enough is enough. And I tell you today, it is no longer business as usual. It is now business unusual. The sea finish whether they see people. Title which way will stop.
Sort of criminality, sort of no fuel, sort of price increase, sort of no electricity, sort of poverty. That is the sort of we want to throw away.
Let them know that no Nigerian is more Nigerian than any Nigerian.
We will stop the stealing and start the keeping.
Travel to the world because we will never kill the rise of the man. When it comes to
The change is in your hand. Get your PVC and let the march to the change.
Our great Nigeria is possible. Our great Nigeria is very possible. And useful. Obedient and useful. Our great Nigeria is possible. Our great Nigeria is very possible. For better infrastructure, for better life, yeah, my people. For better roads, yeah, for better hospitals and health, yeah, hey. For lights today, for everything to work for us, for Nigeria. Yeah. No more hunger. Obi for better Nigeria. Obedient and useful. Obi, yeah. Obi, yeah. I'll be obedient and useful. Obi, yeah. Oh, yeah, oh, Obi, get it. Hausa man, Yoruba man, Igbo man, Middle Belt, Niger Delta. Let us come together for better Nigeria. For better life, for better health, for better road. From consumption to production. Obi Adima, Obi Adima, Obi Adima, Obi Akachama, Obi for Nigeria. Follow Obi, 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 Adima. Okay now, ewo, I beg you. Ewo. Òyìnbó lọ́tọ̀ bẹ̀lẹ̀ wá lọ́tọ̀ ìrọ̀nsí lọ́tọ̀ kò wá ní lọ́tọ̀ mọ̀rítàlá. Buhari lọ́tọ̀ Babangida, Babangida lọ́tọ̀ Ṣọ̀nẹ́kàndé, Ṣọ̀nẹ́kàn lọ́tọ̀ Abacha dé, Abacha lọ́tọ̀ Abdulsalam, Abdulsalam lọ́tọ̀ Ọbásanjọ́, Ọbásanjọ́ lọ́tọ̀ Yar'Adua dé, Yar'Adua lọ́tọ̀ Jọ